What's up, everybody? Kaler here, coming to you live. Welcome to Elite Trading. Let's get started. We have the Dlpn deal. We have some news going on with the 10 to 12% of our world trade canal is being blocked right now in the Suez Canal by a big carrier. They're calling it the it says Evergreen on the side of it, but they were calling it the Ever Given on the news. I'm not sure why, but the ship says Evergreen on the side. They're saying it's the Ever Given, so if you want to search it, it might be Ever Given, but it is blocking the Suez Canal, and there's some story behind that on possible blockages. So depending on how long, I don't know if the recent news that they've actually got it to move yet, but if it is a few days, you're talking 50 ships per day blocked that are doing 10 to 12% of our world trade through that canal. So something to keep in mind and to watch for. We have the Dlpn news and the HOFV. They're going into entering into an NFT deal where they are possibly getting into the sports NFTs and creating something to do with into that market. So watch for them. Research that if you want to. Remember, this is our opinions. We're here strictly giving you our ideas. We're not giving you investment advice, telling you to buy into these things. We're just talking about what we see in the market. And we have a group of people to get together, and they join and talk about these things live all day long. So let's get the newsletter. If you're new here, smash, kick, hit that like button, elbow it right now, and let's get to the newsletter. Got your daily newsletter 2021. Daily newsletter 2021. Sorry if that was too loud. I probably did have the music up a little loud. I see that. I did adjust it. Hopefully it's better now. Let us know in the chat. Do apologize. Quote of the day: the investor's chief problem, even if his worst enemy is likely to be himself. Benjamin Graham. We have the bulls of the day: TKAT, Dlpn, HOFV, and ORMP. Also on the list, UPST. We have bears: ORLA, FREQ, CAN, and UPST on the bears list. It was put on both sides because it's going to have probably a significant drop like we saw, maybe some fall through, but then some long-term holds for some of the group members. So we have a short-term bear case with a long-term bull case on UPST that we've been talking about in the group. Daily news, so it's kind of a bland earnings call. Robinhood has filed confidential paperwork to pursue an IPO. Watching DS, OGI, NOK, WORK, and AESE. It's our daily newsletter. Let's get you to the chart. Okay, folks, we're looking at the charts this morning. Dlpn was one on the list that we were talking about. It's up to over $10.99 in the pre-market, up 59% at pre-market $29.44. HOFV, Hall of Fame Resorts and Entertainment, up $3.30 to $7.33 in the pre-market, up 81.39%. Wow, what a big move on that one. TKAT is trading down this morning, $8 down, 14.96%. The SPY getting a bounce back up to $1.19, up 0.31%. Not sure if we're going to be able to hold this level, but if we do, I'm looking at the 387.23 level. If we don't hold there, then down to the downside we go. If we're going to rip and roar and keep on continuing with these cycles and everybody rotating out of different positions and going into other stocks, then we continue to get this rise up and possibly try to take out that high of 394. But I'd be cautious here, folks. The market is getting a little scary. We have GME on the list that we have to talk about. We did say yesterday that we predicted, based off of the charts and based off of what they were trying to sell on the spreads, that they were predicting a $50 move to the up or downside. It's down 21.81. Closed at 181.75, down $12 the night before. You put those together, it's about a $34 move total. And we kind of said that that's what they were weighing in on the short side. Do they get a bounce here? Possibly. Is it the end of GameStop? I don't know. But at the end of the day, I think that you're going to see some significant pullbacks in a lot of these stocks. And when earnings really matter and the actual potential growth kind of goes away and that exponential idea, and we actually get into true fundamentals, it will matter. Price will matter. And possibly we see under 100 on GameStop here in the future, in my opinion. So we've got a lot of good stuff for you today in the live session. We're going to be going over, and I'm going to also pull up the live here. Don't forget, smash that like button. I still have that guy going, but if you guys want to gain some more knowledge and try to talk about some of these things, all you have to do is jump into our server and we will go over them with you. Last night we had a really good session. I appreciate everybody that joined in last night. We talked a little bit about options. We talked about the progression of Ethereum and Bitcoin and where we think that they might go in the future. We had some good in-depth conversations with some people that actually follow the crypto market exponentially larger than what I do, on a way bigger scale than what I do. So they are in there as our team, the Canadian crypto guys. Thank you guys. We see what you're doing in there. There's a lot of live chat going on, a lot of DD, a lot of chart analysis coming up off the bot. I see you guys pulling up the charts, so that's really cool. Appreciate you guys. Keep coming in there and keep watching because we're going to keep on adding more and more for you. And if you want to continue to help us grow, smash that like button. Always feel free, it's over here, sorry, to donate. Where's it at? Over here. Oh, okay, there it is. Donate right there. I hurt my shoulder a while back, so that actually really did hurt, but it's okay. We've got our top donator up there in the top right here. Shout out to this guy right there. Appreciate you, and let's keep growing. Watch the news, but don't believe all of it. Learn what's going on in Reddit, but don't believe all of it. Watch what's going on here, but don't listen to everything. Get your own opinions. Gather your own thoughts. Learn. Watch as many videos as you can. If you want to have them already pre-ordered for you in a good setup area ready to go, we have them in our server. Bunch of videos lined up, training on stock options, straddling, whether you're looking on how to read candlestick charts, technical analysis, wanting to actually understand how to use indicators like Fibonacci, RSI. We have all these videos in there for you, compiled, ready to go. So if you want to watch that stuff and you want to learn and grow with us and stay in the green, then jump in the chat and let's keep on growing together. See you tomorrow morning, and it's hump day, so be careful.